Hello everyone, welcome back to another short tutorial here, and in today's tutorial we are going to learn on how to change the language of your Discord application. Now before we move on, just an introduction to myself, in English of course. I know the video is about languages, so I'm going to introduce myself in English. So if you are new to my channel and you don't know what is this channel about, then I make videos regarding to Discord, tips, tricks and tutorials from the very basic level to advanced level. So if you are someone who are new to Discord and you don't know how to use it, how to find some settings or something, or if you've been using Discord for a while and you want to learn some new cool tips and tricks and maybe some advice on how to grow your server and some techniques, then make sure to subscribe to my channel because these are the topics that I make videos about. Anyways, let's move on. So in order to change the language of your Discord application, you need to go to your user settings here, which is the clock icon here. And then you look for the option that is called language. Now, when you go here, it's very simple and easy. So you just choose a language that you like. Now, obviously, not every single language is available. As soon Discord is trying its best to add as much languages as possible. So currently, these are the languages that are available. So for example, let's go to Polish. Okay, and now if I go back here, you can see everything is in Polish. I have no idea what am I saying. How do I change my language here back again? Just a moment. This one. Nope. Okay. Oh yeah, there we go. Kind of got lost here for a second. So I'm gonna change back to English. And that's how basically you change your Discord's language. So that was all for today. Very short, very interesting, very simple tip and tutorial. If you liked the video, then make sure to leave a like because there is nothing here to enjoy anyway. Just thought I should make it in case if anyone ever searches on YouTube. So yeah, my job is to make tutorials for you guys, so I'm making my best to make as much topics as I can. That's all for today. Take care of yourselves and see you in the upcoming tutorial.